Welcome to the demo of Rocket Resolver, your ultimate solution for seamless incident and task management. Managing incidents, service requests, and tasks efficiently is the cornerstone of business success in today's fast-paced world. That's where Rocket Resolver steps in, offering an intuitive platform designed to streamline operations, enhance collaboration, and keep your business running smoothly. Whether handling IT service requests, resolving customer concerns, or managing internal workflows, Rocket Resolver provides the tools you need to stay ahead. In this video, we'll guide you through how to quickly set up your account. The powerful features of Rocket Resolver make managing incidents and tasks effortless. To onboard your organization into Rocket Resolver, simply follow these steps. Click on the Create an Account button on the home page. Fill in the required details, including your admin name, company name, and the admin's email ID. A verification code will be sent to the provided email address. Enter the verification code to validate your email. Once verified, set up a secure password for your account. That's it. The admin onboarding process is complete. You can now log in with your credentials and start using Rocket Resolver to streamline your operations. On the tenant admin homepage, you'll find 4 main tabs: Tickets, Users, Groups, and Reports. These tabs provide quick access to manage incidents, user accounts, team structures, and detailed analytics, ensuring seamless administration and oversight. In the Groups tab, you can create groups based on different departments or projects, tailored to your organizational needs. To create a new group, simply click on the plus symbol icon, enter the desired group name, and save it. Similarly, you can create as many groups as needed to organize your teams efficiently. To create a user, navigate to the Users tab and click on the plus icon. Enter the user's name and choose from 3 user types. Tenant admin will have full administrative access to the platform. Agent will be responsible for working on and resolving tickets. Requester will have only raised tickets and track their status. Select the appropriate role based on the user's responsibilities, and you're all set. To create an agent, select the Agent option and assign the appropriate groups from the drop-down list. An agent can be linked to multiple groups, enabling them to handle tickets across various departments or projects. Once the agent is created, their status will initially be set to dormant, and an activation email will be sent to the new user. Now, let's log out from the admin account and click on the activation link in the email to complete the setup for the new user. Enter the provided verification code from the email, then fill in your first name and last name, and create a secure password. That's it. The agent ID is now activated. Let's log in using the agent's credentials to get started. On the agent's dashboard, there are 2 main tabs. Tickets. Here, the agent can view all tickets assigned either directly to them or to their group. Reports. This tab provides access to detailed analytics for better insights and performance tracking. Now, let's log back in with the tenant admin account to create a requester ID. To create a requester, add the user's email ID, select the requester option, and save. The new user will be created with a dormant status, and an activation email will be sent for verification. Now, to create a new ticket, navigate to the Tickets tab and click on the plus icon. To create a ticket, start by entering the title and selecting the ticket type from options such as Change Request, Incident, or Service Request. Next, choose the assignment group for the ticket and provide a detailed description of the issue. Once all details are filled in, click the Submit Ticket button. If you need to create another ticket, click Yes. Otherwise, click No to return to the dashboard. Your ticket is now created and appears in the unassigned open status. Now, let's log in with an agent ID to check the ticket in the agent dashboard. To manage a ticket, start by selecting it from the list. You can assign the ticket to yourself or another agent, add your comments, and view the ticket history. Additionally, you can modify key details such as the assignment group, ticket type, priority, and status. Let's update the status to In Progress, then mark it as Resolved. Also, let's add a closing comment to the ticket. Now, the dashboard reflects the updated status as Resolved. Also, every time a ticket is updated, an email notification is automatically sent to the requester. Let's activate the requester ID by entering the provided verification code from the email, then fill in your first name and last name, and create a secure password. That's it. The requester ID is now activated. Let's log in using the requester's credentials to get started. Requester's dashboard will only contain the tickets that he has raised. To create a ticket, click on the plus icon and then enter the title and selecting the ticket type from drop-down options. Next, choose the assignment group for the ticket and provide a detailed description of the issue. Once all details are filled in, click the Submit Ticket button. Now the ticket is created. Now, let's log in with the agent ID. On the dashboard, we can see the second ticket raised by the requester. Click on the ticket to open the detailed view. Here, we'll update the status and add a comment. Back in the ticket dashboard, we can see that the status has been successfully updated. That concludes our demo. We hope this gives you a clear understanding of how our platform streamlines ticket management and workflow automation. If you have any questions or need further details about our product, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.